project. This one gonna be fun, 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 and easy. How would you like to make a bag without sewing or no stitches, just some scissors and a t-shirt? And then you're gonna come up with this pretty, pretty bag that you can take shopping. See how pretty it is? You can take shopping. You don't have to go take their bag, you can take your own bag. And this is gonna be so quick and easy. So stay tuned. I'll be back and we're gonna get started on this no stitch handbag. Okay, so I'm back. First of all, we're gonna cut the hem of this t-shirt all the way down. And I have already begun to cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this aside because this is gonna be our handle. Next, you're gonna go up to the sleeve. We're just cutting around the edges. Okay, we're gonna put that aside. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut around the edges of the other side. We'll continue cutting. Okay, we're just gonna lay that aside. Next, you're gonna do the top part. We're gonna cut around here. And on this part, be careful. Cut it by itself instead of cutting two at a time. Cut around the neck by itself, because if you don't, you'll end up cutting too much. And I have did that before. So one of these with me, because I can stuff this so much with so many different things. So I didn't need all those suitcases. Okay, so we done did that. And make sure these two is lining up. And make sure you get a t-shirt without the seam. It got to be seamless, because if it don't, it's not going to work real good. So get one without the seams on the side. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to start cutting our ridges. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to catch the bottom of it. Maybe cut maybe an inch or two up. It's depending on how long you want your ridges to be and how big you want your t-shirt to be. So I'm going to stop like right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way down, all the way over. We're going to do the same thing all the way down. And then at the last part of it, just grab it up under where the fold is right here, and then just cut it like so. Okay, we done with that. Now we're gonna do the sleeves. Either you can start at the top or you can start at the bottom, either way you want to do it. And cut all the way down to the seam. See where the seam is here? I'm trying to show y'all where the seam is there. Cut right there to the seam. And in the bottom part, do the same thing. Just cut there to the seam. Okay, we're done that. Now, we're going to start again, just cutting the little ridges. Put them together, and then just start cutting. Okay. And cut all the way to the seam like you did just a while ago. Cut all the way to the seam. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. I'm going to cut all the way down, and then I'm going to go to the other side and cut all the way down to on both sides, and then I'm going to come back. So now I have finished my ridges, and now we're going to tie. So I'm going to start with the first one, and that's the reason why you cut it together, so you can have something to attach to. You're going to catch like so, like I have it here, and then you're going to tie. Just going to tie down a knot, and then you're going to just kind of tighten it real tight. And then you're going to double tie, because you don't want your things falling out your bag. Just double tie that like so. Then grab up the next one, the next two. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to tie. Like I said, you don't want anything to come out of that. And you're going to just keep on around doing the same thing. Just keep tying in a knot all the way around. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish tying this. Okay, so I have finished the bottom. I've tied all the bottom ridges. And then I have already went to one side, and I have tied it also, tied all the way down. But I left the top one without tying it, and that is for a reason. So just go ahead and tie the next sleeve. Go ahead and tie it up together, and leave these last two. Don't tie those, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and tie these. Like I said, this is so much fun, and if you have children, just get them to do it with you. They will love it. Now, I'm gonna leave that last one. Like I said, I'm not gonna tie this last one. So first, the bottom hem that we saved out, we're gonna use this for our hanger. So what I'm gonna do, this part that I left out here, I'm going to take it under. See, I'm taking it under here, and I'm gonna catch it up under here. And this at the top of your t-shirt. See how I got that? And then this end here, this end, I'm gonna put it, this is the end that I had in it, so I'm gonna put it up under like so. See, like that. And then you're just gonna pull it. See how I'm pulling it till it get all the way down, like so. There we go. Now, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna take it under to that sleeve up on the sew. See, like I have it. But instead of tying it like I did the other one, we're just going to kind of catch it like so. And then we're going to just tie it together. Tie this with this. See how I done that? I'm just going to tie it. Make sure you tie it real good, because we don't want that to come loose. And you'll come along and tie it again like you're going to tie it in a knot. And you can have your string as long as you want. See, there we go. That's our string there. Okay. Next, what we're going to do, we got that all done. We're going to come back and just pull these. Pull every last one of them. Just take your time and just pull every last one of them. And that just stretches it. It just makes your bag look so much prettier. You'll just come in and kind of tighten it and pull. Tighten and pull. All the way along your bag. So far, I have never had anything to come out of my bags. And then you'll pull this one. And then, see how that looks? It looks great. Now, we're going to do the same thing with the sleeve. Just pull. And I'm going to finish pulling Okay, now I have done all my putting. And the last pull you're going to do is right here at your neckline. You're going to pull that, and then you're going to pull the other side. Just pull it. And that what that does, that put that little fold in it. See how pretty that is? You can't hardly see it in black. But it's a little folded in there, and that helps open it up. And then you're going to go back on your last one that we didn't tie. Let's go ahead and tie that. Go ahead and tie it like so. Pull it. Put the knot in it. And then on the other side, we're going to do that same thing. We're going to catch it. And then we're going to pull it. Go ahead and put your knot in there. Okay, now I'm going to come back in just a little bit, and then we're going to show you our final results. Okay. So we back, and now we're going to reveal our final products with our bags. This is the one we just made. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. The little ridges on it. I mean, you can stuff in here forever. You can just put your clothes up in here. I used to put my clothes when I travel. I just put all my house clothes, my t-shirts, and it just keep going on and on and on and on. Like I say, this is good for travel. It's good for going shopping. It's good for your groceries. It's just good for, if you have a baby, it'll be great for a diaper bag. So put their little toys in it and whatever. You can use this for anything, and it will hold up because you done got your little ties in it at the bottom, and nothing gonna fall out. I've had mine for probably 2 or 3 years or more, and I still use them when I travel. And y'all just please make these. These are so cute. And if you have a t-shirt, just an old t-shirt that you don't mind just cutting up and carrying it around, do it. Because some of the t-shirts you're not going to wear no more, no way. And I got a lot of them that I'm not going to wear anymore. But please do this project and let me know in the comment what you think about it, because I think it looks wonderful. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye, and y'all have a blessed day with y'all new bag. Okay, we'll see y'all the next time for another project. Bye-bye.